Hey y'all, welcome to Freedom Makers. I'm Amanda and today we are making moon sand. Sunshine has already gone to bed, but she's going to be able to play with this tomorrow. If you want to see pictures of her playing with this tomorrow, be sure and go over to Instagram. It's going to be fun. This is a great sensory activity, so if you have any children that are little and that like, to play with Play-Doh or anything like that, this moon sand is going to be great for them. I am adding a couple drops of balance to this today, because this is going to help her to be calm. This is a great afternoon activity after homeschool. So in the afternoons, I do like to still have her just sit and relax and do something calm, like read a book or, color, that kind of thing. Something calm. And so balance is a part of our daily routine. I always put balance on her if I need her to calm down and focus on something and just be kind of relaxed, balanced, and grounded. And so it's great to keep with us when we're out of the house as well. But today we are putting this in the moon sand, and this is just going to be a great thing for her to play with. So we are also gluten-free, and so we are using Bob's Red Mill gluten-free baking mix. I do not have regular flour in our home because we don't use it at all. And so we're going to use 2 cups of this to a 1/4 cup of oil. So you can use any oil that you want. We're going to be using olive oil because that's what I have extra of on hand today. And so it's 2 cups of this, a 1/4 cup of oil, and that's it. I'm going to put about 5 drops or so of the balance in this, and I'm going to smush it up, put it in a container, and tomorrow she can play with it. It's going to be great. Okay guys, so I have already mixed this up. I'm going to give you a recap. I thought I had the record button hit, and I guess I didn't press it. So my moon dough is already created, but all I did was put in 2 cups of my flour, and then I measured in a 1/4 cup, oh, some of it didn't come out, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and then I put in 5 drops of my balance. So then I mixed it all up, and I've just been standing here talking to you about it, and you weren't there because I didn't hit the record button. So this is really pliable, and it's pretty mess free, so I can wash her hands really easily and wipe the counter off really easily. It crumbles, and that's just what moon sand does. It crumbles up, but it's also solid enough that you can form shapes. So you can make a ball, like to make a snowman, you just pack it in. It gets kind of packy, and you can make different things with this. But it also is something that you can use over and over again because you can reform it. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how to make moon sand. It's really, really easy. It's pretty inexpensive. Even using the Bob's Red Mill, it's worth it because it lasts for weeks. We can just put it in a covered container and play with it again the next day or whatever. It's a great afternoon activity if you need something to kind of calm your kids down before nap time or anything like that. Sunshine hasn't taken a nap since she was about 18 months old, and so we don't do that in the afternoon, but I do make her just sit and calm down. We read, or she can play with Play-Doh or anything like that. The moon sand is really great because it doesn't get so ucky, and it's just fun. It's something different, and I love adding the essential oils to it as well. The balance is a great option. The lavender is a great option. Wild orange would be great for kids. It's very uplifting. Any of your citruses are going to be really nice, especially if your kids are kind of cranky. So it's just a great activity. I love it myself. So if you're a grown-up, if you're a big kid, it's really fun for us too. I could just stand there and play with it like all day because it's just fun. And it's, I don't know, I just like it. It's like wet sand, but it's solid enough that you can pack it and make shapes and things like that and build with it too. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. Thank you so much for stopping by. We will catch you in the next video with another DIY tomorrow. I hope you're having a great weekend with family and friends, and we will catch you then. Thanks for stopping by.